Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Alright, about to tear into the Monte Carlo. Go ahead and snatch this hood off, both fenders. As you see, I just picked it up from the body shop yesterday. They got the brackets on. Got them straightened out and welded on. Got the front support on. So now, the foam, as you're going to see, I'm going to put the foam, the bumper cover, pull these lights back out so I can replace that front hood latch. Go from there. Let's go. Alright, you see as I got it up on jack stands. Went ahead and put the lights back out. Did put it on jack stands so I can get the wheel cover out and start on the ground effects piece. If you have the ground effects piece, it's gonna be a boat here and a boat back there. And then you want to do is kind of slowly pop this off, and then this comes up, this slides up. You see this tab broke, but you want to just pull up just a little bit and pull it out, because you don't want to pull straight out. The ground effects piece is kind of crooked, so I pulled that off and the clips is broken in the back, so I got to fix this side. But on the opposite side, I think I could sneak the fender out. I'm gonna do this side first and then go from there. Then as you can see, the hood is off. Usually I don't pull it off from the hinges. I just take the two bolts right here, but then be careful. Well, this is already bent, but when you put the new ones on, it's the bolt that goes to part of the hinge inside here, so you kind of want to angle it to slide it in there so you don't bend that. But yeah, hood's off. So now it's the fenders. Okay, fender. I have 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts there. Bolt right here. You are going to move the washer fluid jug out the way. And then, if you see this, 2 right there. And it should come off. And you can see it's off. And it is a bolt on 1 more on the inside, so you have to come in, like, pretend the fender's there. Come in and bam, pull that one off, and she'll be off. On the opposite, same on the opposite side. There she goes. She's tore it out. So just repeat the process. Really ain't that bad of a job. I'm pretty sure it's just lining everything back up, making sure the doors clear the fenders, hood clears everything. Put this new bracket hood latch mechanism on, and then just start assembling back. Bam, bam, bam. There you go. Got the fenders on. So far, just been trying to line them up. Like I said, just pre-start the bolts. I put the fenders on, and like I was saying, this bolt right here, to avoid this, I left that side a little loose, and then just slid this in right here so it didn't mess it up, and then slid the fender back underneath this hinge. It's easy to tell since this came off a tan Monte Carlo black fender, and then I just slid it back up so it wouldn't catch the screw. But I got all the bolts loose, and I'm just going back and forth testing it out now. I pretty much got the passenger side lined up. I'm just working on the driver's side. It's a little off. You see it's super close right there. Then I gotta push that in a little bit more. But other than that, look like it's coming together pretty good. And all I gotta do is just put that foam front bumper, put the washer jug back up, put the lights, put the ground effects piece back on this side, and then see how far we got. Alright, bumper time. Bumper is pretty easy. It ain't nothing but sliding these and up there on that, and using these little stupid half a metal looking bolt or nut looking thingies. They work. So, and then little push pins up here, and then of course like the wheel well covers going there. But yeah, it's coming together. So on to the next step. Bam, look at that. Should look like a car now. running around like Mad Max. Say, it don't look too bad with the regular Monte Carlo bumper. Like I was saying in my previous videos, I couldn't find, well, they don't make them no more, the ones with the ground effects, and I figure I'd just get the regular bumper until I run across one, whatever. At least I can start driving it. So, go ahead and put the dust shields and stuff back on and button everything up to the wheels on and go from there. Bam, biggity biggity bam. Ooh, she don't look too bad. Finally got her done. Some hours later, got all done in one day. So, as long as she's together, I still gotta get a front wheel lining for the passenger side. I had one, but it's torn in half, so that ain't nothing. This side's on the driver's side. And then I just probably, I was gonna prep the hood maybe, but I might just plastic dip it, that flat black, just to blend in, because the fenders and the bumper is flat black. But I'm probably leave that until I actually find an Intimidator bumper. I mean, it don't look too bad without it, without the ground effects piece. You can't really tell, but I kind of want it, so I'll leave it flat black. Well, the bumper, just in case, so when I get the other one, then I can sell that one, somebody that needs it. But that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and go switch over to my Instagram at pitbull_garage. Check the pictures out. And yeah, it's a big step today. Peace.